What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at the triple Qs, which is the NASDAQ 100. So again, third consecutive red day here. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. I'm a full-time options day trader trying to help you guys out with technical analysis levels through my eyes, right? What I see and what I like to trade, right? I don't give signals. I don't give call outs, none of that stuff. What I do is I'm a technical based trader. I ignore the news. I play the price action. So these are some of the levels that I'm going to be looking at. Predominantly, I'm going to be scalping. And I have kind of a rule. If I lose 2 day trades in a row and the market is really choppy, I might just hang it up unless something, very, very clear kind of shows up. But main thing you have to do is kind of stick to your rules. The main thing you have to understand is, what is your account size? How much are you willing to risk in the day? If you're playing with a $2,000 account and you're buying, one trade and you're taking, 3-4 options contracts that are costing you $1,200, you're doing it all wrong. I would start off with, $2,000 and I would play one contract at a time. I would look to take 20 to 30% consistent gains. Sometimes you might take 15%, sometimes you might take 50%, but the overall goal that you're trying to work on is your psychology and just trying to be right. The biggest thing in trading is psychology, and the biggest thing is confidence, and the biggest thing is stacking those green days, right? In the beginning, especially with the small account, it's never going to seem like you're making enough money. Everyone's always making 10x more than you, this, that, and the other. You know what? So what, and who cares? So these are the levels that I'm looking for on the triple Qs. Right now, I'm looking at 272.59 to the downside. That's going to be today's lows. We are pushing higher here. If you guys are a part of my Discord, you guys kind of understand one of my scalping strategies, which is a 20 SMA play here. We got that set up at 273.60. Currently, we're trading at 274.11, so we've got about a 50-cent move on that. We are coming into a little bit of supply zone here. If we kind of just look between the hours of 7 and 8 a.m., we had a lot of choppiness action before we kind of just started to paint this floor down here at the day's lows of 272. So again, our supply level is going to be 274.50, 274.60 in that area. We're getting a nice push up right now, actually, as we speak. Again, if I was in this trade right now, scalping, I'd be taking profits on this green candle, holding a runner to see exactly what we do at 274.69. Now, your next little bit of a trade is going to be over 274.69. We're going to need to get that close over. And then as soon as we get that close over, we're going to need to either back test or consolidate or confirm those new highs. As long as we can hold the 274.50 area, I would stay long in that trade. If we do start to lose and close below, I would exit that trade. Our next supply zone above that is going to be 277.84. That's going to be the day's highs. It might be a tick or two below that if I kind of make my adjustments here. 277.77. Okay, so that's the area that we're going to look to play into here over the 274.69. Now this can completely pop and then come all the way back down. So that's a risk that you're going to have to take, knowing that the day has been choppy. If you kind of look from 7 to now, it's currently 12 and the market's going to close in 45 minutes here. We've been pretty much going sideways, down, up, down, up, down, up. This makes for a very, very hard environment to kind of trade, right? So with that all kind of being said and taken into context, those are the levels that I'm looking to play. Now, if we continue to pop over this level, which currently we're trading at 274.75 now, what I would be looking for is this 5-minute candle to close. And when this candle closes, either I need to see sideways action, I need to see some sort of pullback, and then I need to see the new high taken out. If I can get this new high taken out, then I'm going to go long. I'm looking at the 277 area, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I needed to get to 277. I'm more than happy taking 20-25% profits on that trade and holding a runner to see if we do reach that maximum potential. If we do start to lose this area next week, 272.61 is my short level. We're going to need a 5-minute candle close below that. We're going to need to either bounce, get rejected at this floor, or consolidate or confirm those lows. And then I want to go ahead and take that short position there. Hope this level helps you. Hope these levels help you. If you guys want more of this type of information, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Subscribe to the channel. I put out technical analysis videos on a lot of stocks that I like to trade. Until next time, I will see you guys all in the next video.